This lesson is all about determiners. A determiner specifies a noun, telling us if it is known or unknown. They go before any adjectives the noun might have. The most common type of determiners are called articles. These are the words the, a, or an. For example, a flower or the apple. Demonstratives such as this or those are another type of determiner. For example, this red hat or that shiny star. Possessives are a third type of determiner. This is words such as my or your. For example, our dog or your lovely grandma. Lastly, qualifiers are a type of determiner. This is words such as some or every. So, some fruit or every house.